This is the third camera.
Oh wait, but first I gotta be cool. Hey guys, welcome again. Today I'm gonna pull the fire alarm in a church and pull mine. So first we're gonna talk, and this is my.
That was me over there.
Let's talk. Today we're gonna test the fire alarm system. As you can see, we're going to test the fire alarm system in a few minutes. As you can see, we're going to test the fire alarm in a few minutes. Get prepared for the fire drill. Thank you. And we did that. So we'll put mine first.
Ready?
Wait.
Ah, dang it. I mean, darn it. The battery died. No. Funny and sad at the same time. Yeah, battery low. But, so let me tell you about what happened in that video. So what happened was that when I started to pull the fire alarm, I think I barely heard, in this camera, I think you barely heard the system sensor spectral advance outside going off first. It sounded like this, e, and then after a little bit, the actual alarms went off. So yeah, and then the rest is just the fire alarms. I was gonna show the whole thing, but the battery died. So here goes the fourth camera.